Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where design meets lifestyle, and every space tells a story. Today, we step into a space that is often overlooked, yet deeply personal: the modern bathroom. No longer just functional, today's bathrooms are designed as private sanctuaries, spaces where comfort, style, and calm come together effortlessly. A well-designed bathroom doesn't just serve a purpose, it creates an experience. Imagine walking into a space defined by clean lines, open layouts, and refined simplicity. There's a sense of order, a quiet elegance that instantly makes you feel at ease. Modern bathroom design is all about balance, between minimalism and warmth, between luxury and simplicity. At the heart of this design is space, open, uncluttered, and intentional. Floating vanities, frameless glass showers, and wall-mounted fixtures create a seamless flow, making even smaller bathrooms feel larger and more breathable. Light plays a defining role. Natural light transforms the entire atmosphere. Large windows, skylights, or soft filtered light through frosted glass create a bright, refreshing environment. It highlights textures, enhances materials, and brings the space to life. In the absence of daylight, layered lighting takes over. Soft ambient lights, subtle LED strips, and warm mirror lighting add depth and sophistication, turning everyday routines into calming rituals. Materials define the character of a modern bathroom. Stone, marble, concrete, and wood come together to create a refined, timeless look. The contrast between smooth and textured surfaces adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. A marble countertop, a concrete wall, or warm wood cabinetry. Each element contributes to a design that feels both luxurious and grounded. Color palettes remain intentionally simple. Neutral tones dominate modern bathrooms: whites, grays, soft beiges, and muted earth tones. These colors create a clean, sophisticated backdrop, allowing materials and textures to stand out. Black accents are often used to create contrast. Matte black fixtures, frames, or lighting details introduce a bold, contemporary edge while still maintaining a sense of elegance. At the center of the space, the shower and bathtub become statement features. Walk-in showers with frameless glass create a seamless, open feel. Rainfall shower heads add a spa-like experience, turning a daily routine into something more relaxing and immersive. Freestanding bathtubs bring sculptural beauty, placed thoughtfully to become a focal point, a symbol of modern luxury and comfort. Storage in modern bathrooms is designed to disappear. Clean surfaces and hidden storage keep the space visually calm. Built-in niches, concealed cabinets, and floating shelves ensure everything has its place, without disturbing the design. Because modern luxury is not about excess, it's about clarity. Details elevate the entire experience. Minimal hardware, integrated sinks, and sleek faucets add refinement. Every element is chosen carefully, not just for function, but for how it contributes to the overall design. Mirrors are no longer just practical. They are design features. Backlit mirrors, oversized panels, or uniquely shaped designs add depth, light, and character. And then there's nature. Even in the most modern spaces, a touch of greenery softens the design. A single plant, a vertical garden, or natural elements like stone and wood introduce warmth, creating a connection to the outdoors. This balance between modern design and natural elements defines the essence of contemporary bathrooms. Technology is also becoming part of the experience. Smart showers, touchless faucets, heated floors, and ambient lighting systems bring convenience and comfort to a new level. These features are subtle, yet they transform how the space is used. But beyond materials, lighting, and technology, what truly defines a modern bathroom is how it makes you feel. Calm, clear, relaxed. It's a space where you begin your day with focus and end it with peace. A place that encourages you to slow down, even for a moment. Because in modern living, true luxury is not just about how a space looks, it's about how it supports your lifestyle. Thank you for joining Modern Homes and Gardens, where every detail is designed to inspire modern living.